Hi, love. Ayun, masaya. Kasi prepare natin to for a year. Parang hindi lang a year. 10 years na kasi kami. Alam, naiyak ako. Ayun, so...
Our boss, Iman Batol Gilbert Jr.
Nice! Thank you bro, thank you bro.
For my next gift, para sa aking best man.
Wish you the best.
Crush naman!
Yes, sir! Let's go, team.
Aray!
Thank you din. Kasama ko sa... Thank you din. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Dapat 13 po, no?
Karen, my loves, mahalan, baby girl. Alam mo na mahal kita. Right? So, simula pa lang, first time na nakita kita, I did not expect na I will fall in love with you. From your bangs na mula dito sa tenga mo hanggang dito, yung buhok mo na putuhin, no one would expect that I'd fall in love. But, seeing your own attributes that are very unique, like your simplicity, that you're genuine, and that you're thoughtful, those are the things I fall in love with.
Blessing to. Blessing to from the Lord. Answered prayer ka. Gaya na lagi ko sinasabi sa'yo. You are my greatest answered prayer.
And thank you for being in my life for almost 10 years. And I'm not sure if you're aware, but you have molded me into the man I am right now. So you have been my inspiration. You have been my source of comfort, my source of peace. You have been my driving force into being a good man. Looking ahead to be better, not only for myself, but for our relationship.
At itong araw na to, answered prayer din. Kasi maganda yung panahon, pinagbigyan tayo. At syempre, pinanaktis na natin kagabi yung I do. Baka kasi magkamali ka nang sabihin. Ayun, alam mo na yon. Kasi hindi naman tayo tatagal kung hindi kita mahal.
And I thank you because you brought me to your church. You brought me closer to God. You have been the one who introduced me to several people, to several families that is very tight when it comes to God. And I thank you because I will not have my ministries right now if it wasn't for you.
Matagal na kitang pinagpipray, tapos biglang pumunta ka, gusto mo ako, ganon. So parang wala akong naging sagot kundi iyak. Kasi, wow, answered prayer. Tapos sabi ko noon, ayoko na ng iba. Kasi sa Lord ko na hiningi. Sabi ko, kung magbibigay si Lord ngayon, first and last na yun.
So, Karen, I promise you that I will be your source of peace. I will be your home. I will be your source of comfort. And I will always be there for you. Ano man ang mangyari, datnan man tayo ng big one, anong gaano kalaking typhoon man yan, I will always be there for you. And no real world problems will shake us. And no matter what happens, I will always stand beside you. Kalabanin man tayo ng mundo. Karen, I love you so much. See you.
Iyak lang lagi sinasagot ko sa iyo. Simula nung magsimula tayo nung January 7, 2016, 1:30 p.m. Ang malinis mo. Masaglayit na.
Saka simple ka lang eh. Kahit saan tayo mag-date, isaw man yan, ulam natin, lumpiantik sa 10, masaya na tayo eh. That's where I found peace in simple things with you.
I love you with all my heart. Mula Anet hanggang Talampakan. Hanggang ingrown. At mga nakaiwalay kong daliri sa paa.
Say that. I'm not the man I am today.
You are one of the greatest answered prayer in my life, love.